to fix Instagram group chat on your Instagram account. Hello guys, how is your day going? Today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open your settings of your phone, and when it's opening, what you cannot do right now, just you will open apps, and on apps you will go directly to search for your Instagram apps. As you see, I found it. Then I will go to storage, and on storage what I can do right now, just I will click clear data like this and click OK. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.